2020 is a wrap. That means it's time to set up 2021. A friend said to me, I hope that despite 2020 being a really bad year, you also had some lovely memories. And I thought that was really nice. And I hope you have that too. Without any further ado, let's get started. I chose a pretty basic flower theme with pink accents for the new year. The cover page is a wreath with all kinds of leaves and flowers. As always, I made a sketch of the illustration with pencil first, before I started adding black lines with my fineliner. I am using a Micron PN fineliner, which is my absolute favorite. The fun thing about drawing leaves and flowers is that it feels like doodling. Also, in this case, the illustration doesn't have to be true to nature. You can play along and make up your own leaves. I tried to make the wreath look matching by making the leaves return multiple times. I wrote down 2021 in simple numbers in the middle of the illustration. My accent color is pink. I colored in the flowers with watercolor and splattered some paint around. With pink metallic paints, I added some decorative dots. To make the cover page a bit more special, I decided it should be a Dutch door. I already made up my mind about which areas of the new page I had to use and which part of the page I could cut out. I used a cutting mat and a metal ruler. I first cut out the straight parts. After that, I carefully cut around the flowers. To smooth the Dutch door a bit, I used scissors. The next page is my key. Usually I put this on the very first page of my journal, but this year I thought it would look good behind the Dutch door. This page is pretty simple. I drew some nice flowers on the left page, poppies to be specific, my favorite flower. On the right page I wrote down key with some leaves at the end of the Y. And I wrote all the important marks below, such as a circle for events, a square for tasks and a triangle for important things. In the bottom corner I wrote, "Let's start fresh." This quote is visible because of the Dutch door. To finish the key page I added a pink watercolor again. The next page is a year at a glance, and some extra space for important notes and dates. I used a grey Tombow to set out some lines. I like this effect because it's still an empty page, but because of the grey, it doesn't look completely blank. It's again decorated with some nice flowers and leaves. I speeded up the process to really fast, because writing down all the dates and months is a bit boring. I wish it was this fast in real life. The next 4 pages will be my yearly overview. Instead of my usual setup with boxes, I tried to do this setup where I could see all the dates and weekends, which are really important to me, at once. On top I wrote down all the months from January till June, and I decorated the banner with black leaves, metallic paints and daisies. Pink stripes are marking the weekends, which seemed convenient to me when I thought of this spread. On the other hand, I have a bit less space left and I can only write down 1 activity per day. For a more elaborate spread, please check out my previous setup video. For July to December, we have to repeat the exact same process. The next spread is a goal page. Here I can write down New Year's resolutions and big goals I definitely want to achieve in 2021. For example, I like to fitness, so I like to include some goals for that, or for my hobbies. Also, if permitted, I would like to travel abroad again. Do you have goals for 2021? If yes, let me know in the comments. Maybe we can inspire each other. The last spread is my absolute favorite, my movies and series trackers. I have at least 2 of these spreads in every journal. Here I keep track of the movies I watch and I rank them. In the upcoming year I hope to see some good movies again in the cinemas. And that's it, I'm all ready for 2021. Let me know which spread was your favorite one. If you like this and if you want to see more, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Or check out my Instagram at Dutch_dots. For now, I'm sending you off with a big thank you. Thank you for supporting me in 2020. Your lovely comments and messages truly mean a lot. I wish you all the best and I hope to see you next year. Bye guys.